the lag in the daytime and you're just looking for that pick-me-up. Well, Bryce Wylde is here to tell you you might be thinking daytime fatigue, but we're going to do it the right way. So we're moving over into this area
When
now.
I build my shake in the morning,
yes,
it's a smorgasbord. In fact, I call it the smorgasbord, okay? I throw in any sort of nut butter I might have. This is cashew nut butter. I put a tablespoon, or rather a scoop of protein powder and fiber to slow down the absorption. So this is a soluble fiber.
Okay.
This is called Sunfiber, so look for this. It's an ingredient. The Japanese actually manufacture this. It's tasteless, odorless, and it's a regulating fiber. You know, when we're sluggish and fatigued, we're also often not going. Right? And that'll cause like, reabsorption of toxins.
Doing what it needs to.
Exactly.
What other kind of fibers are out there? Like, is that the same as psyllium? Is it the same?
No, it's not psyllium. Good point. So this is soluble means it'll get into your system and help you with things like cholesterol. It'll regulate your transit time.
Okay.
But the psyllium stuff is really more of a bulking agent and can sometimes irritate and cause bloating and gas and so forth. So I put an avocado in.